Hi guys, it's Hallie. Today I'm doing another unboxing video, this time with the Honest Diaper subscription. So I just got this giant box in the mail with diapers and wipes and all kinds of goodies in it. So we're going to open it up and see what we got for our first subscription. So if you don't know anything about the Honest Company, it was a company started by Jessica Alba, and it's kind of like eco-friendly, clean, all that kind of jazz. So I have tried out a few of their, well, I can't say I've tried out a few of their baby products. I have a few things that I'm going to try out when Cal gets here, but I have tried out their Belly Balm, which I really like. And I've heard good reviews about their products, their diapers in particular. And we got a coupon to get 35% off the first month. It's usually $79.95, I believe. So we got a coupon to get 35% off, so why not take advantage of it and get some cheap diapers? So that's what we have today. So you get 7 packs of diapers in each subscription box, and then 4 packs of wipes, and the wipes come with 72 wipes each, and then the package size of the diapers varies by what size of diaper you got. So we did a mixture in this one of newborn and size 1 because we already have a lot of newborn. I have no idea if it's enough. I'm doing this for the first time, so it probably isn't, but I wanted to get a mix just in case. I didn't want to have like too many newborn diapers. So we have a few different designs in here. That's the cool thing too, is you can pick your design. So we have some size 1 diapers here in this kind of like little skull print. So like what's outside on the bag here is just the print that's on the diaper. So we have 2 size 1s of those. You can pick, I picked 7 different prints, but I only got, I think, 4 maybe, just because of the size difference. So we got those to start, and then we have a panda print as well. This one we got in a newborn and in a size 1. So the size 1 looks like they come with 35 diapers, and then the size newborn comes with 32 diapers. So that's the panda one. And then the next print we got, which I'm very excited about because I think it's cute, is this little breakfast print. Again, got it in a newborn size and in a size 1. So it just has that little bacon, eggs, oranges, cinnamon rolls on their toast, all the good stuff that you can eat for breakfast. So that is our next one, and I'm like surrounded by diapers now. And then our last pack, so we have 2 newborn packs, and all the rest are size 1. Yeah, all the rest are size 1, which is okay. I mean, obviously he won't be able to use them right away, but he'll need size 1 diapers eventually, so we have them. And these have little trains on them, so these are super cute as well. So those are the diapers that we got. And then, like I said, you get 4 packs of wipes, and each pack has 72 wipes in it, and they're just basic wipes. And then you get this little kind of newsletter, a little like fall newsletter. So I guess this diaper is their new and improved version. And then it has some other things in here. So it has some stuff about Honest Beauty, which is the beauty line. You can purchase it at Target. I'm not sure if you can get it anywhere else. I know you can get it at Target though. So they have a little bit about the Honest Beauty primer in here. That's what they're featuring. They have some pictures of the fall prints, which is really cool. I had actually, so you have like the fall prints down here, and I had actually, I think I had picked this Yes Dear print and maybe the apples too, but we didn't get those. I guess 4 out of 5 moms would recommend the Honest New and Improved diaper according to this. And so what's new about it? If you've tried these diapers in the past, they have a softer lining. They're still using eco-friendly materials. It has an elastic waistband on these and sure-fit leg cuffs, so it's supposed to help prevent blowouts. So we'll see if that actually works. And then it holds 17 times its weight in fluid. So that's cool, I guess. I mean, I don't really know like how it'll compare to other diapers since I haven't tried any of them yet. And then they have a recipe for apple crisp in here, which sounds pretty good to me, so I might make that. And then, yeah, the back is like just for your kids. If you're older, you can do like a little word search on there too. So yeah, this is what we got in our first Honest subscription box. I think I have it set up right now to deliver every 6 weeks, but I am probably going to skip the next delivery just because I'm not due for 6 more weeks. So we're going to skip that one and just wait and get through some of these first, make sure we like them, and then decide if we want to move forward with the subscription, because it really, from what we were doing math-wise before we decided to do this, it seems like a pretty good deal. I mean, 7 packs of diapers and 4 packs of wipes, they come to you whenever you want them. $79.95. I mean, if it seemed like a better deal than what we could find on Amazon for subscribing to diapers, but if someone knows of a better deal, please let us know. We are always looking to save money. So yeah, I think that's all that I have today. And thank you so much for watching. I will be back with more baby content probably soon. So I will see you in my next video.